I am Anne Marie Kinlan, and we are at Aniello's Pizzaria in Corning on Market Street. The business started in 1972, the year of the flood. My uncle created the pizza part of the business. Now, my uncle came from New York, and he had a pizzeria in New York City. And so all of the recipes here at Aniello's were created by my mother and my uncle. What do I want people to experience in my restaurant? Well, first of all, I want them to say, my God, the food is fantastic. I want them to be in love with the food, but I really want them to feel that this place is family owned. We're a family that works here. The environment is charming. Everyone that works here makes the pizza, waits on a customer, serves the customer, cleans the table. And the people that are here, a lot of them have worked here 30 and 40 years. So I think that is what sets us apart from other people, that we are a true Italian family restaurant. So growing up in Corning, it is a charming town. Corning is a diverse little town. I love it here. The people here, the environment, we have a real sense of community here. There are a lot of communities that people don't feel real, but they're genuine here. And I love them. They're great. It's a great little town.